Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your GE front-load washer isn't draining and how to fix it. Keep watching until the end to learn how to do this and more. A clogged or kinked drain hose. In case the drain hose is kinked, gently straighten it out for better water flow. If it's not kinked, disconnect it from the drain pipe and place it in an empty bucket to check for clogs. If the water flows freely, there are no clogs. But if the water flow is slow, you'll need to clear the drain hose of any visible clogs. If you can't access the clog, you'll need to replace the drain hose. A clogged pump filter. Check your user manual to locate the pump filter on your washer. If it's clogged, remove it and clean it and then reattach it to the washer. Check if the problem persists. A blocked drain pump. If small debris reach the drain pump and cause a blockage, you'll hear a humming sound from your washer without the water draining successfully. Seek professional assistance to check for any blockages and carry out the necessary replacements. So there you have it. That's how you can easily fix a GE front-load washer that's not draining. Thanks for watching. Till next time.